Let us look at a poem from Savi Kannada grade 3. The name of the poem is Kanda, and this is a Janapada song. Janapada means folk song. Usually the people in the villages, they sing songs. This is one such song. So it is a folk song. Now Kanda means child or a baby. So this poem is about a baby. Now let us look at the poem. ಕೂಸು ಇದ್ದ ಮನಿಗೆ ಬೀಸಣಿಗೆ ಯಾತಾಕ ಕೂಸು ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ಒಳಹೊರಗ ಆಡಿದರ ಬೀಸಣಿಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಸುಳಿದಾವ. Let us look at the meanings. Kusu means baby. Mani, house. Bísanige means a hand fan. Ola is inside. Horaga is outside. Adu or adi is play. Gali is air. And sulidava is blow. So, let's look at the meaning one line by one line. Kusu idda manige bísanige yataka. So, in a house where there is a baby, there is no need for hand fan. So remember, this is a Janapada song. Janapada means mostly it is sung in the villages. And a few years back, villages didn't have electricity. So the people used to use a hand fan. Whenever they felt very hot or during summers, they used to use a hand fan to get cool air. So the song is saying, so the first line is saying that in a house where there is a baby, there is no need for a hand fan. Next line, Kusu Kandaya Volahoraga Adidara. So when a child is playing, the child plays by going inside and outside the house. So when the child is going inside and outside the house, Bísanige Gali Sulidava, it feels like air is blowing. As the child is moving inside and outside the house while he or she is playing, it feels like fresh air, cool air is blowing into the house. Okay, so once again the summary, there is no necessity of a hand fan for a house where there is a child or a baby. Because as the child moves outside and inside the house while he or she is playing, you feel like fresh air is moving into the house. Then, ಆಡಿದ ನನ್ನ ಕಂದ ಅಂಗಾಲ ತೊಳೆದೇನ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ತಿಳಿನೀರ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂಗಾರ ಮಾರಿ ತೊಳೆದೇನ. So this one, the mother is telling the baby. What is she telling? Aadi ba nanna kanda angala toledena. Oh dear child, oh my dear baby, you go out and play. After you play and come, I am going to wash your body parts, like your hands and legs. How is the mother going to wash it? Tengina kai tilinira takkondu. I will take the tender coconut water to clean your body parts. Bangara mari toledena. I will take the tender coconut water to clean your golden face. So the mother is telling the baby, dear baby, you go out, play and come back. I will wash your body parts like your hands and legs. I will take tender coconut water and wash your golden face. Then next. Aluva kandana tutiyu havalada kudihanga kudi hubbu bevi nesalhanga ಕಣ್ಣೋಟ ಶಿವನ ಕೈಯಲಗು ಹೊಳೆದಂಗ. So Aluva is crying, Kanda is baby, Tuti is lips, Havala is coral, Kudi Hubbu is eyebrows, Devin Esalanga like neem flower petals, Kannota eyes, Kayalagu is a weapon which Lord Shiva holds. It's the Trishul which he is holding in his hand. Holedanga, shrine. So now this paragraph is describing how the baby is looking. So Aluva Kannana Tutiyu Havalada Kudiyanga. So a crying baby's lips, they are so pink and red in color, right? So they look like coral. Coral is a precious stone. So the lips of the crying baby looks like coral. Then Kudi Hubbu Bevi Nesalanga. Eyebrows, they look like flower petals. They look like the petals of neem flower. And Kannota Shivana Kaiyalagu Holedanga. And the eyes, the baby's eyes always have a nice shine in them. So that shine is like the weapon which Lord Shiva is holding in his hand. The weapon which Lord Shiva is holding always keeps shining. So the baby's eyes are like that. So once again, a crying baby's lips are like coral. The eyebrows of the child are like a petal of the neem flower. The eyes shine like the weapon which Shiva is holding in his hand. Then, Kandana kirikiri indenu helali, bindige halu surivanta, janjiya chandramana tandu nillisenda. So this one, this paragraph is telling about sometimes the children become very stubborn and they start crying and they get very irritated and they start crying. Especially very young babies, they keep crying for something or the other. So this paragraph is explaining what the mother is telling about the child. Kandana kiri, so kiri kiri means irritate. Indenu today, Indu means today. Helali, tell. Bindige is pot. Bindige means pot. Halu is milk. Suriva is pour or pouring. Janjiya is evening. Chandra is moon. So now the mother is telling, today the baby is being very irritated. I just can't tell how much irritated the baby is. Kandana kirikiri indenu helali means the mother is telling, what can I tell? This baby is so irritated today. Why is the child irritated? What is the child stubborn about? Bindige halu surivanta janjiya chandramana tandu nilisenda. So the child is crying, wanting to, telling the mother, I want the moon. Get the moon to me. And how is the moon? The moon is like as though milk. Moon is white in color, right? So it feels like the milk is pouring out of the pot. So the mother is explaining that the child is crying that she wants the moon from the sky, and the child is crying that I want the moon immediately. Get it to me right now. So that is the poem about a baby, Kanda.